Hello kids, welcome back. Today we'll learn more words with the short A sound. Let's say it together.
Bat, bat, cat, cat, fat, fat, hat, hat, mat, mat, rat, rat, ban, ban, can, can, fan, fan, man, man, pan, pan, ran, ran, bad, bad, dad, dad, lad, lad, mad, mad, pad, pad, sad, sad, bag, bag, fag, fag, lag, lag, rag, rag, sag, sag, tag, tag, cap, cap, gap, gap, lap, lap, map, map, nap, nap, tap, tap.
You did great today. There's so much more to come. Get ready for lesson 3. The cat and the rat, the man and the van. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with us.